Need Excel shortcuts at your fingertips? Here's how to boost your productivity in 3 steps with Logi Options Plus. If you spend hours navigating Excel spreadsheets, managing sheets, formatting data, performing calculations, and controlling workbooks, you're losing time searching for tools across multiple menus. Traditional keyboard shortcuts require constant key combinations, breaking your workflow. Here's the good news. There's a faster way. Step 1, download the Logi Options Plus app from Logitech's website. Step 2, launch the app and head directly to the Logi Marketplace. Step 3, search for Microsoft Excel and then click Install on the Excel plugin. Once installed, all your essential Excel shortcuts are now available on your Actions ring, a customizable digital overlay triggered from your supported Logitech mouse or keyboard. With one click, you can manage sheets, format data, perform calculations, and control workbooks without leaving your spreadsheet. To personalize your Actions ring, watch our full Actions ring customization guide. Hit the subscribe button for more Logitech productivity hacks.